The drill chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold a drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws on the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of hard use, these jaws will wear and your drill bit might begin to slip in the chuck. When this happens, it's time to replace the chuck. Replacing the drill chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old chuck from the drill. The chuck is secured to the drill with a retaining screw. Unlike most drills, the retaining screw is a regular thread. I'll open up the chuck enough to insert an Allen wrench, and then I can remove the retaining screw. I'll hold the body of the chuck with a pair of adjustable pliers so the chuck can't rotate as I remove the screw. Once the screw is removed, I can just pull the chuck away from the spindle. Now I can install the new chuck. The chuck comes with a new retaining screw. I'll insert the screw into the chuck. Now I can install the chuck onto the spindle, lining up the groove in the chuck with the spindle. And I'll secure it to the drill with the retaining screw. And that's how easy it is to install a new drill chuck on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.